Hello and welcome back to So You Want to Learn How to Crochet. My name is Mandy, and today I'm going to be showing you a different stitch. This stitch is called the V stitch. I know I said I was going to show this to you, and I'm going to show you how. All you have to know to do this stitch is how to chain and how to double crochet. I did this. It seems like once you get the hang of it, man, this would go really fast. So, as you can see, it looks like a V. So, one thing you need to do when you do start, you see I'm using my new ones. Start with your chain, and you're gonna do 2 in odds. So you're gonna be like 1, 3, 5. I'm doing 19. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So you have your chain of 19. Now, you're going to go in, get my finger out of the way, to the 4th chain from the hook. So you're going to go into the 4th one. So 1, 2, 3. You're going to go into this 4th chain. You're going to double crochet into this 4th chain here. Alright. There you go. Now you're going to skip 2 chains. So you're going to skip this one and this one and this one, and you're going to go to the 3rd chain. You're going to chain 1, go to the 3rd chain. Let me get my chain again. Not this one. And you're going to double crochet into this 3rd chain, and you're going to chain 1 again, and you're going to go back into the same chain, and you're going to put another double crochet, so you have 2 double crochets in 1 chain. And then you're going to chain 1 again, and you're going to go again. You're going to skip 2, and you're going to go to the 3rd chain, and you're going to double crochet into the 3rd chain, chain 1, and do another, let me back up, it looks a little fuzzy, double crochet into that same chain. Alright, chain 1, and you're going to skip 2 and go to the 3rd chain again, and you're going to do double crochet into this chain. It's double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. It's like a pattern. Chain 1, skip 2, 1, 2, and then go to the 3rd one and double crochet. Chain again, just 1, and in the same hole that you got this double crochet, you're going to double crochet. And guess what? We're going to chain 1 again. Okay, now you see what we got left here. We have 3 chains. So you're going to double crochet in the last 2 chains into the chains. And I don't think this turned out quite right. 1, and then in the last chain you're going to double crochet. Did I put it in the last chain? You see it sticking out there, and I see it. Sometimes it's a little bit of a pickle to get it in. Okay. Now you're going to chain 3, and you're going to turn. And this is what you got. You're going to put 1 double crochet in the first chain from the hook, first chain in. You're going to do 1 double crochet into the chain. My goodness gracious. There we go. Okay, then you're going to chain 1. And now you see your V? You're going to put right into the center here, and you're going to double crochet, chain 1, use a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1. And then back into this same V, you're going to put another double crochet. And then you're going to chain 1. And you're going to go to your next V right here, and you're going to double crochet, and don't forget your chain, and you can go back into there again, and you're going to work this pattern all the way to the end, and it's just this over and over again. So if you like these little videos, if you like learning different stitches, new stitches, hit the like button. And if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be putting more on. I've got quite a bit out there already. But I'll be putting a lot more videos on. So if you like my little videos, hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Leave me a little comment of what are you doing any kind of crafts, any kind of yarn, are you crocheting anything? Just leave me a little comment below if you are, and I will be more than happy to read your comments. Attach a picture to it so I can see. I love seeing other people's work. It would be just really, really great. So, okay, here at the end, see? So you're going to skip your 2, and in these last 2 chains here, you're going to put a double crochet and a double crochet. Alright, but remember we got a chain. You're going to go into this second one from the last, put 1 double crochet. Because remember we skipped there? And then you're going to go into the very last chain, and you're going to put another double crochet. Remember, sometimes they're a pickle to get in at the end, and you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and you're going to turn it. So you see what we got? So far? And then you're just going to do this over and over and over. Repeat the pattern over and over. In the very first chain here, you're going to do a double crochet, inside the chain, then you're going to chain 1, and then you're going to start going through your V hooks, your V's. You're going to double crochet into the V, you're going to chain, and then you're going to do another double crochet, see, into the same V. So you see what we got. Let's take the hook out. See? You're making your V's. And remember, at the end, it's the last 2, you put your double crochets in, into the chain, into the V's, you go in between the V's. So this is how you make the V stitch. I hope you practice this, do something, make something with this. This actually, with a light material, would make a very nice scarf. An afghan. I wouldn't do a baby blanket out of this only because the holes are so big and they can get the little fingers caught in that. Safety first. But I mean, make a scarf or something like that. It's a very nice stitch, and depending on the size needle that you use, will depend once again on the size of your stitches. So because remember in the last video I had showed you the different crochet hooks that I had gotten, the really huge one, the 8 millimeter, how big the stitch was. If you use a smaller hook, then you know the stitches are going to be smaller. But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and tell me what you're doing. Leave me a comment. And I thank you for watching, and happy crocheting.